Dear student, I am going to discuss about Internet Services Chapter 6, Class 5. So this chapter we will discuss about that Internet related terms. So now we understand and we discuss that chapters. In this age of information technology, the use of Internet is being quite popular for accessing information on any topic of our interest. So Internet is a huge network of computers. Different type of networks are linked to each other all over the world. So through the internet we can connect, and it is known as network of networks. What are the applications of internet that we understand? So with the help of internet we can exchange the messages using email, transfer the file and software, browse through information on any topic on the web page. So we can chat with each other connected to the internet. So read a newspaper available on the leading news groups, and we can receive or send pictures file from distant places. Way to connect the internet: we activate our internet services with the help of internet providing company, that is internet service provider, that ISP. ISP is a company that provides the access to the internet. So now we go for the next topic, that various ways to connect the internet are: first one is the dial-up connection. So dial-up connection is just like a telephone connection. We are going to ring the number, and after ringing the number, going to that connection establishment with the another one person. If both are connected with the same network, that at the time that will be connection which possible. So it requires the modem, because computer is working in a digital form and telephone line is working in analog form. So we need one modem. That modem transfers, that means translates our digital data into the analog, and at the receiver point that we receive from the ISP, and we send that same thing. Modem is also converting analog to digital or digital to analog. So we use that analog telephone lines in this dial-up connection. Encoding and decoding of analog signal is done by the modem. So modem is performing both the operation. So analog signals converting to the digital signals when it is receiving at the computer, and when it is sending from the computer it is converting. Modem converts the digital signal into the analog signal. Now we understand ISDN. ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network. This connection is made using the telephone lines that carries digital signals. That means analog signals it is carries in dial-up connection, but in ISDN it carries digital signals. So therefore it is faster than dial-up connection. So if a question is asking that ISDN is why ISDN is faster than dial-up, so we can say that because ISDN carries the digital signals instead of analog signals. Both speech and information on the same line is possible to communicate. That means information we are receiving also, and we are receiving speech also, that audio and video also. It is used for activities like video conferencing, possible with the help of ISDN. So now next is that satellite connection. Internet connection is provided through the satellite, and information is sent to the user from the satellite. So for satellite we know that when we are receiving that from the satellite, one station is there, satellite station is there. So that station is a receiving station that is needed mini dish satellite receiver and the satellite modem that converts our data which is receiving from the satellite and receiving to the our home, our television, our computer also. It is high speed internet connections. Next is the DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. So it is a higher speed data service, so in the form of broadband connection which provides the connection over the ordinary telephone lines. It requires DSL modem. So DSL modem works very faster, and it is compared to dial-up connection it is more faster. Compared to ISDN also it is more faster. So you see here that this DSL, how it works in telephone line. So it is working with the DSL modem. We go for the next, that is cable modem. Cable modem is also providing that internet access using same cable that transmit the telephone line, telephone connections. That means the telephone television, when we are broadcasting any channel program we are watching, using the same cable we can get internet connection also in our television. So this is cable modem. So it is faster than dial-up and DSL connections. It does not affect our telephone lines. And cable modem, that means when we are watching any program in a television, we can use together internet services also. That means our television program, that channel broadcasting program, we can also access, and we can access internet also nowadays. So this is with the help of cable modem. Next is that Wi-Fi zone. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. So it requires transceiver, that means these devices receives and transmits both the connections. So that's why transceivers. The range of these devices is around 90 meters or 300 feet. So we can connect with this Wi-Fi. So nowadays Jio-Fi we are using. With Jio-Fi we are purchasing Airtel Wi-Fi, that we are using one device that we plug and we can access in our telephone, our laptop, smartphone, tab, around all family members using that one with the help of Jio-Fi. So Jio-Fi Wi-Fi zone, that we can establish our Wi-Fi zone. At least 7 users can connect to the transceiver at the same time. But nowadays it is coming more users you can connect, so and broadcast that with the help of Wi-Fi. Next is that WiMAX. It stands for Worldwide Interoperatively for Microwave Access. It is broadband wireless access techniques. It offers broadband connections over long distance. It range up to 30 miles. That you can say that WiMAX is used in a town, and we can use that with the help of tower. We are accessing our internet connections with the help of WiMAX. Okay, this is WiMAX tower, and we can use urban and rural and all areas. So outdoor side also we can access the internet with the help of WiMAX tower. We are traveling in a train. We can access internet also with the help of these towers. So different ISP internet service providing company. So using that towers, and BSNL tower, Jio tower, Air tower, we are knowing that one thing. Next is that Netiquette. So Netiquette is that internet etiquette. This simply means that use of good manners in online communications such as email, forum, blog or social networking site. That we use that in a communication, non-verbal or verbal way, that which things we use. So never share any personal information like that, your address, phone number, credit card, these all things still our identity, our money, and never share our password or anything. That means we must take care that of personal data, personal information. So take care while posting photo and videos, that we have to take care that, because any posting photo or video, that will be always, that will be forever, and that million of people can access them. So that's why be careful. Do a spell check of a message before posting the online. So spelling mistakes you have to check before posting any messages, and we have to create positive impressions on the other. Next thing, that do not write in all the capital letter, because this is considered as screaming all the things capital written. Capital we use only to emphasize something, some word, so we can write capital. Our accounts and profiles should not be public. That means publicly accessibility must not be there. So anyone can access in the world, that must be privacy you have to maintain. So which thing you have to do public, you have to do private, that you want to maintain. Do not spend personal insult. That means insult ways, that you cannot use any post, you can not write any messages like that. So you have to think about that thing. These all things, these all caring, negative points you have to not write. You will maintain these things, that is important for that internet accessing time. Stay away from the spam. So junk mails that get in our mailbox, so that you have to take care of that personally, that of the spam, So you have to junk mails, you have to be take care, and you have to delete these all messages if you get. So SOAP only from the secure data, that means HTTPS, that hypertext transfer protocol, transmission control, hypertext transfer protocol, secure with security, that S must be there when you are doing any online transactions, we are purchasing anything, we are sharing any information, we are filling the form. So you have to take care of that one, HTTPS. You see here that in picture that is given. So lock is there or that message is there. So that you have to check that is secured or not to access the website. Now we go for that last one, that is ignore pop-up window. Sometimes when you are browsing or when you are surfing internet, so you get that type of pop-up window, and here link also. So you avoid that type of link that is unknown. So you should not click on that, you should not go through that. That may be attack of virus. Next is that exercise section. So one by one I have given you all the question answers, that I am providing you that video also, in a video tutorial also providing you question answer, and PDF file also I will provide you in a Campus Care. So write all the question answer, and if any mistakes you suggest me, I will correct it, but I have given that you can write, you can learn and go through that, study more. Wish you all the best. Go through that first question, second question. I am providing you 5 seconds because that you can pause and you can write that question answer in your copy. Next. One E. Now fill in the blanks. That one by one you see. So first is that analog. Encoding and decoding of analog signal is done by modem. Second is that dash is made using telephone lines to carry the digital signals instead of analog signals, that is ISDN connection. So like this I have given all the question answers and fill in the blanks, that go through that and you write in your copy. So you correct this first question, internet cannot be used for. So then it will be answer is correct, because internet can be used for, all are correct. So I am correcting here the question. Go through that and you write all the question answer in your copy. Answer option only you can write, that will be better. In your copy you write answer also. 3A only question, after that third one option answer is that. Okay. True and false, question number 4. Go through that and write in a copy all the question answer. Thank you, and I will provide you all the question answer exercise section in a PDF form. Okay, so thank you, and I wish that you will subscribe my channel, and I will provide you time to time video tutorials. You will get benefits. Thank you, and this one you share with your classmates, those all not having that facility, that those all missing that video tutorial also to watch. Thank you, my dear.